Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'm going to tell you the best camera tips and tricks for Galaxy A55 5G. Firstly, guys, you have to go to camera here. Now in this section, as you guys see, we have all the modes, and as you guys know that we can capture the image in all the modes. We have portrait mode, photo mode, video mode. But if we're talking about the useful tips and tricks, so firstly guys, if you want to enable the watermark of your camera, so you can enable it. And in watermark we have these options, like we have a date, we have time, and we can also edit it. Like we have a model name, I can set it up to mobile into A55 or click to save. Okay, we can change the font also, so I'm changing up the font. Okay, go back. So through the watermark guys, your picture will be your trademark. We have auto HDR option here. If we enable this feature so that the image have the good result. Talking about the location tag, you can also enable the location tag so that your location will be enabling or your location will be appear. Now let's capture the image. Guys, as you guys see, we have a 12 megapixel option, 50 megapixel option. So firstly, we are gonna capture the image on 12 megapixel. Now tap to 50 megapixel and let's see the result. The result is almost same, but if we're talking about the 50 megapixel result, it provides us the lot of detailing. Guys, we can also manage the lighting from this bar. So as you guys see, this one is the dim light or dim brightness. Okay, guys, especially we have another useful feature of a pro mode here. Like if we tap on the pro mode, so we can balance all the things from this bar. Like we can change the speed, which is basically the brightness or a light. Talking about the ISO, so yes, we can change up the ISO. Guys, we can also do focus, autofocus and manual focus. So as you see, the images blur now, and at that time the image is clear. Now let's capture the image. Okay, so this one is of a pro mode capture, and this is 12 megapixel and this is 50 megapixel. So these are all the useful tips and tricks, and you can do a best photography in Galaxy A55 5G. So that's it guys about the video. If this video helped you, kindly like the video and follow us for more tips and tricks. See you guys in next video. Take care.